So you're out on a walk, maybe even a jog, and then you feel suddenly like a sharp, maybe even just intense stretch right across the lower part of your abdomen and pelvis. Sometimes it goes away, sometimes it remains and grows in intensity. You're really not sure if it's something to worry about or if it's normal, but don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll explain why this happens, what's going on in your body, and most importantly, how to not let it stop you from doing your workouts or scarring you from thinking something is wrong. I'm Dr. Dawne, your pregnancy chiro here at Performance Place Sports Care. I am a licensed chiropractor and I work with prenatal and postpartum moms looking to manage discomfort during their pregnancy and recover properly in their postpartum. But do remember that I'm not your chiropractor. In this video is not medical advice. Round ligament pain is one of the top concerns for new moms. Even with what I know, I'm constantly worried about there being an injury going on. So let's get you some answers and some tools that you can use right now. So here's what's happening. Your uterus isn't just floating around in space. It is held in place by ligaments. The round ligaments run from the sides of your uterus down into your pelvis. Picture two stretchy bands pulling your uterus forward and keeping it stable. Now, during pregnancy, your uterus goes from about the size of a fist to the size of a basketball. So those ligaments stretch and stay under tension all day long. When you move quickly, like standing up too fast, running, twisting, coughing, or even sneezing, they tug suddenly, and that's what causes that sharp, burning, stabbing pain that makes you stop in your tracks. Most people describe it as a quick stabbing pain or a sharp pulling sensation through the side of the pelvis. So it can kind of start at the bone here, run downward near the belly button or down the front of the abdomen. It can go to the pubic bone and sometimes around to the backside, kind of where you feel those dimples on your low back. It can last anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. It's totally normal to feel it more on one side, especially if you always tend to stand, run, or carry more weight on that one side. It also depends on where baby is laying at certain times during the day. Your pelvic alignment too can also play a really big role in where you feel tension in the round ligaments. If you're active during pregnancy, good for you. Distance athletes may notice more pain with single leg exercises such as hops in HIIT classes, sudden increase in distance or intensity, carrying extra load like a stroller, child, extra gear while walking, during twisting core work like Russian twists or chops, and with strength work like side lunges or single leg RDLs. Non-active moms may notice it more day to day. When you go from sitting to standing, getting out of bed too fast, rolling over in bed, coughing, sneezing, laughing, lifting objects off the floor, putting on pants or shoes, standing on one leg. So no, you didn't pull a muscle. Those ligaments are just stretching fast and protesting a little bit. It's usually nothing to worry about, but something to pay attention to. Let it just remind you to pause and adjust your activity a little bit while you are feeling it. So here's what you can do about it. First, for active moms-to-be, does it vary with intensity or frequency with one of the activities that we mentioned? If so, just dial that variable back and then continue with any other activities that seem to not bother you. Now, for all moms, slow down your transitions. Getting out of bed or off the floor, roll to your side first, then push up with your arms instead of sitting straight up. That reduces the sudden pull on the ligaments. Let your arms and your legs do more of the work. Support your belly during movements. Use your hand, a small pillow, or a belly support band when you cough, sneeze, or do a quick movement. That little bit of counter pressure can help reduce the amount of tension on those ligaments and help support your uterus. Add gentle core and hip stability work. Focus on deep breathing, pelvic tilts, and glute activation. The stronger and more controlled that your pelvis is, the less strain and tension that you're going to feel on those ligaments when you move. I'll put a link in the description for another video about this, or maybe even put together some free research for you about programs that I like. You could also warm up before activity. Even just a few minutes of walking or dynamic stretching can reduce the sudden pulling sensation you feel when you start your workouts. Use heat carefully. Warm compress over the side of your belly, not directly over it, can help relax those ligaments after activity. And if you're getting this pain often and you're feeling it's limiting your workouts or your day-to-day activity, it's absolutely worth it to go see a pelvic floor therapist or a prenatal chiropractor who can help you. They can teach you how to move, breathe, stabilize so the pain happens less. I'll tell you this, it is absolutely something that can be managed, and it doesn't have to be something that you suffer from throughout the entire duration of your pregnancy. Now, I always tell my clients this: any pain that worries you or feels different deserves a conversation with your provider. Ligament pain should be short-lived, triggered by movement, and fade quickly. If it's lasting longer than a few minutes, comes with cramping, bleeding, fever, fluid leaking, call your provider or go to the emergency room. Round ligament pain is super common, especially when you're active, and it doesn't have to stop you from doing what you love. Remember that your body is working really, really hard to grow this baby, so a few small adjustments can go a really long way in how you feel. If this video helped you understand your pain better, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. We're going to cover safe core and hip exercises for runners in pregnancy next week.